Camco's propane patio fire pit is an attractive, convenient, and versatile alternative to a permanent fire pit. The patio fire pit's full ring burner and lava rocks give it the look and feel of a traditional fire without the hassle of gathering firewood or cleaning up an ashy mess. The lava rocks also emit extra heat once they're hot. The frame and elevated fire tray are made of powder-coated steel for durability. The patio fire pit features a piezo igniter for easy startup and includes a 10-foot propane hose with Acme threads to connect to any standard LP gas cylinder. The gas regulator allows you to adjust the height of the flame or extinguish it completely. Camco's patio fire pit is lightweight and weather resistant, so it's perfect for use on open-air patios, porches, decks, and in backyards. There's a cover included, so when you're done, you can either put it away or simply leave it right where it is. It's also available in 2 sizes, so pick the size that best suits your needs and get yourself a patio fire pit from Camco today.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.